Tara Palmeri, born September 1, 1987, is an American journalist who works as a White House reporter for Politico and a CNBC contributor. She has worked as a reporter and columnist for Politico's European edition in Brussels. Personal life. Palmeri was born on September 1, 1987 in New York. Tara attended American University in Washington, D.C., where she graduated summa cum laude with a bachelor's degree in public communication. Career. Palmeri started her career at CNN as a news assistant in the D.C. bureau in 2009. She subsequently joined the Washington Examiner, where she co-wrote a daily column called Yeas and Nays. In 2010, she moved to the New York Post to write for the paper's Page 6 gossip column. She moved to the news desk in 2012 as a general assignment reporter, where she covered national stories, including the John Edwards trial, the Newtown, Connecticut massacre, the 2012 Democratic National and Republican National Conventions, and the Jourdan Belcher murder-suicide. In 2014, she began covering politics as a New York City Hall reporter. Palmeri broke the story for the New York Post that New Jersey Governor Chris Christie underwent lap band surgery to lose weight. She has worked as a reporter for the New York Post, where she covered City Hall. Palmeri moved to Brussels in 2015 to cover European politics for Politico. The Guardian referred to Palmeri as a dish-breaking ambassador to ancient regime Brussels. She has made appearances on Fox News, CNN, BBC, Al Jazeera, CBS, MSNBC. Shortly after the 2016 presidential election, she moved back to Washington, D.C., to report on the Trump administration. References. External links. Official website.